Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Corn Mother, renowned as the Native American goddess of nourishment, sustenance, and the harvest. Part 1: Significance of Goddess Corn. Mother, what does Corn Mother represent in mythology? The Corn Mother holds profound significance in Native American culture, representing essential aspects of life, sustenance, and cultural identity. She is a symbol of the abundance and fertility of the earth, embodying the nurturing and life-giving qualities of corn. As the guardian of traditional knowledge, she safeguards ancestral wisdom regarding agricultural practices and community rituals, ensuring the preservation of cultural heritage. The Corn Mother signifies the cyclical nature of planting, growth, and harvest, reminding us of our interconnectedness with nature and the rhythms of the earth. Through her presence, she cultivates unity and cooperation within communities, emphasizing collaboration and gratitude for the earth's resources. As the embodiment of sacred feminine energy, she highlights the power of creation and the nurturing role of women. Rituals and ceremonies are conducted to express profound gratitude for the abundant harvest and the sustenance provided by corn, acknowledging the reciprocal relationship between humans and the natural world. The Corn Mother's significance lies in her embodiment of sustenance, cultural preservation, unity, femininity, and gratitude, serving as a constant reminder of the sacredness of the earth. Part 2: Archetypal qualities of Corn Mother, nurturing abundance. Unveiling the archetypal essence of the Corn Mother. The Corn Mother, an archetypal figure in Native American culture, embodies the nurturing and sustaining qualities of feminine energy. She represents abundance, fertility, and the regenerative power of the earth. As the guardian of traditional knowledge, she preserves cultural heritage and reinforces the importance of ancestral wisdom. The Corn Mother signifies the interconnectedness between humans, nature, and the spiritual realm, teaching the value of honoring the earth's resources and cultivating a harmonious relationship with the natural world. She inspires gratitude and celebration for the abundance provided by the earth, reminding us to share our blessings with others. These archetypal characteristics of the Corn Mother encompass nurturing, abundance, cultural preservation, interconnectedness, and gratitude, serving as a guiding force to honor the earth and celebrate the interconnected web of life. Part 3: Symbols associated with Goddess Corn Mother, Golden Essence. The spiritual spectrum of colors in Corn Mother's symbolism. Symbols, plants, animals, and colors play a significant role in Native American culture when it comes to the goddess Corn Mother. The cornucopia, symbolizing abundance and fertility, overflows with fruits, vegetables, and grains, representing the earth's bountiful harvest. Other plants like beans and squash, known as the Three Sisters, are often associated with the Corn Mother due to their traditional planting practices alongside corn. Turkeys, domesticated by Native Americans, symbolize fertility and sacrifice, representing the reciprocal relationship between humans and nature. Yellow and gold are the prevailing colors associated with the Corn Mother, with yellow symbolizing the golden ripeness of corn and signifying abundance and prosperity, while gold reflects the sacred and divine nature of the Corn Mother as a deity of sustenance and fertility. These symbols, plants, animals, and colors hold deep cultural and spiritual significance, embodying the abundance of the earth, the sacredness of corn, the interdependence of all life, and the importance of gratitude for the gifts provided by nature. Part 4: The Story of Goddess Corn Mother. Cultivating connection, the Corn Mother's role in Native American agriculture. Once upon a time in the bountiful lands of North America, there lived a wise and nurturing goddess known as the Corn Mother. She was a revered figure, embodying the essence of abundance, fertility, and sustenance. Her presence brought life and nourishment to the land, and her wisdom was sought by all who recognized her divine power. The Corn Mother appeared as a radiant goddess, adorned in vibrant colors reminiscent of the autumn harvest. Her hair cascaded like golden corn silk, and her eyes sparkled with the warmth of the sun. In her hands, she held a sacred cornucopia, overflowing with an abundance of fruits, vegetables, and grains. Throughout the seasons, the Corn Mother guided the cycle of life and growth. She taught the people the sacred art of planting and harvesting, passing down ancestral knowledge from generation to generation. Her teachings emphasized the importance of honoring the earth, working in harmony with nature, and expressing gratitude for the gifts of sustenance. In the heart of summer, as the sun bathed the fields in a golden glow, the Corn Mother would walk through the fields, tending to the corn with loving care. Her touch brought forth vibrant green stalks, adorned with the golden ears of corn that symbolized the life-giving power of the earth. The people revered the Corn Mother, for they knew that their survival and prosperity depended on her abundant blessings. They celebrated her with joyful festivals, offering thanks for the bountiful harvest and the blessings she bestowed upon them. One year, as a drought plagued the land and threatened the crops, the people turned to the Corn Mother for guidance and assistance. With compassion in her eyes, she heard their prayers and responded with her nurturing energy. Rain poured from the heavens, replenishing the parched soil and reviving the wilting plants. The people rejoiced, grateful for the Corn Mother's intervention and the gift of sustenance she provided. The Corn Mother taught the people valuable lessons about the interconnectedness of all living beings and the sacredness of the Earth's resources. She reminded them to honor the cycles of planting, growth, and harvest, as well as the importance of sharing their abundance with others. To this day, the legend of the Corn Mother lives on in the hearts and traditions of the North American people. She continues to inspire gratitude, unity, and reverence for the Earth's bounty. Her story serves as a reminder to cherish the gifts of the land, to nourish one another, and to embrace the spirit of abundance in all aspects of life. Part 5. 3. Strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Corn Mother archetype. Strategy 1. Listen to your gut intuition. Pay attention to your gut instincts and honor your intuition. The gut is often referred to as our second brain, due to the intricate connection between the gut and the mind. Cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness to tap into your inner wisdom and make decisions aligned with your truest self. Trust your gut feelings and allow them to guide you towards personal growth and transformation. Strategy 2. Cultivate a balanced inner ecosystem. Recognize the significance of gut health in personal transformation by nurturing a balanced inner ecosystem. Prioritize a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, including fruits, vegetables, and fiber, which support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir to enhance gut microbiota diversity. Embrace mindful eating practices, allowing yourself to savor each bite and tune into your body's cues of hunger and fullness. Strategy 3. Share your abundance. Embrace the spirit of sharing and generosity inspired by the Corn Mother. Look for ways to share your abundance with others, whether it's through acts of kindness, supporting a charitable cause, or offering a helping hand to those in need. By giving freely from your heart, you not only inspire transformation in others, but also deepen your own sense of purpose and connection to the world. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a peaceful and natural setting, such as a garden or a field of corn, where you can feel connected to the earth. 2. Create a sacred space using elements associated with the Corn Mother, such as corn husks, colorful fruits and vegetables, a cornucopia, and images or symbols representing abundance and fertility. 3. Light a candle and speak a heartfelt invocation to the Corn Mother, expressing gratitude for her abundance and nurturing presence. 4. Close your eyes and visualize a field of ripe corn stretching before you. Picture the vibrant colors, golden husks, and the sway of the tall stalks in the breeze. 5. Stand up and begin moving rhythmically, swaying and dancing in a way that feels natural to you. As you dance, imagine the energy of abundance flowing through you, infusing every cell of your being. 6. Return to your seated position and close the ritual with a final blessing and expression of gratitude. A final message. Words of wisdom from Corn Mother. Abundance is not measured by what you have, but by the abundance you feel within. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.